Hello, and welcome to James Powell channel, where we give tech, news, and more. And this episode is brought to you by Augustin Farms 2-week 1-person emergency food supply. If you are needing emergency food, please go to jjmediaonline.net/emergency. That's jjmediaonline.net/emergency. Click the link below and you can get your emergency supply. We don't know what's going to happen today, tomorrow, the next week, the next month, the next year. But be prepared, be ready, and go order your emergency supply today. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels. So now, let's get into today's video.
Okay, we're covering the two articles from Blaze. WHO director was accused of cover-up. Get back here. Covering up epidemics in 2017, and here is a gentleman that hadn't been really talked about a whole lot, but in first interview free from gag rule, Roger Stone says his prison sentence will likely kill him. Of course, Roger Stone tried to forewarn all of us about how bad the deep state is. But let's start out with the WHO director. Of course, Trump just has mentioned pulling funding from the WHO, or World Health Organization, Health, you know. So back in 2017, the director was accused of covering up epidemics, and he blamed his accusers of a colonial mindset. A report accusing the director of the World Health Organization of covering up epidemics has surfaced in light of current accusations that the WHO aided China in covering up the global coronavirus pandemic. And remember, they are about destroying America. The first report was first documented in 2017 New York Times article about Dr. Tedros, who goes by the name, there's the other name of him, and Dr. Tedros in his campaign to become the director of the WHO. Accusations centered around his time as health minister of his native Ethiopia. Dr. Tedros supposedly is a compassionate and highly competent public health official, said the global health law expert Lawrence Gostin. But he had a duty to speak truth to power and to honestly identify and report verified cholera outbreaks over an extended period of time. So the allegations that he covered up cholera epidemics in Ethiopia, get this, 2006, 2009, 2011. So he doesn't have a very good track record. And here he's heading up the World Health Organization. So, and here's a video down here you can go ahead and watch how China corrupted the World Health Organization. So just, again, I'm dropping these links into the description. Read it. Do your own research. I just like bringing you news and articles of what is really happening. All right, let's move on over to the Roger Stone. Roger Stone has been a friend of President Trump for many years. Of course, they arrested him. In fact, if you remember much of his arrest, here's a guy in his house. They brought the tactical team, guys all over, to someone just to arrest. It's amazing when it's a conservative they're going to arrest. Boy, they bring everything. But if you let illegal immigrants in, and don't touch them. Okay, you know what my opinion is. But in the first interview since his gag order was lifted, Roger Stone claimed that he was wrongly persecuted in the first interview free from the gag rule after he was denied a new trial on Thursday. Former Trump campaign official and longtime friend talked to Tucker Carlson on his Fox News show. I'll just get right to it. I'm a little confused why, with all the pardons going around, everyone I've ever met has been pardoned. You haven't been by a White House that has done a lot to push criminal justice reform. This is Carlson talking. And he replied, well, I really don't know, Tucker. I was very hopeful that the motion for a mistrial in my case, based on the flagrant and blatant, even egregious juror misconduct, would have won me a new trial. Stone was sentenced to more than 3 years in prison over charges from an investigation into Russian election interference. And the thing about this, they've already proven that did not happen, and that was the Democrats. So I still believe he's going to get off. But the sad part of it is, 67 years old, he has some underlying health problems, including a history of asthma. The Democrats and liberals were really trying to kill him. That's my opinion, because he knows a lot, and he knows Trump. So here's the article. Go ahead and watch the video. You can watch the interview. Again, I'm just trying to bring you news, links to it. Do your own research. Thank you again for watching. I look forward to bringing you the next video. Please subscribe, share, connect with us on our social media channels.